I never had my bathroom dirty or smelly. After I discovered this trick, to start a cleaning tip today, I will use 2 limes. First we will cut and squeeze. Because I will use only the juice, if you prefer, you can use a juicer, it will be easier. Next, I will also add 2 tablespoons of soap powder, being the second main item for this tip. Now we will mix well until diluted, and then we will wait to lower the foam, to add the other ingredients. Then I will add 2 tablespoons of detergent, making it easier to remove stains and fats. Only these 3 ingredients together can bring complete cleaning to your bathroom. Ideal is to mix whenever you add a new ingredient. To finish and increase the yield of the product, we will also use a cup of water and mix one last time. Only with this amount, we can already perform a complete cleaning in the bathroom. With this, we already have our mixture ready for use. For the use of the product, I will put all the liquid inside a spray bottle. Make the application more practical and avoid waste. To put the liquid, I will use a funnel, thus avoiding the waste of our mixture. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Fiona Kiguma from Zimbabwe. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. This tip is very simple. I use throughout my bathroom, not only on the toilet, but it is also very effective in cleaning the bath area, sinks, and even for the floor. Not even between the tiles or more dirt marks. With the spray bottle, it is much easier to use, and the more you find necessary, just go increasing the amount of ingredients. As in the case of using for cleaning the bathroom floor, maybe need a larger amount. And just rub with a broom and rinse with water. In this video, I will demonstrate the simple cleaning of a toilet. Even if the toilet is stained and very dirty, this tip will prove useful, since the lemon helps in removing these stains. Even for the sink, cleaning is done in minutes. Make this recipe in your home, and then come back here to tell me what was the result you had with this tip. I hope it becomes useful too. The point of using in everyday life. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you in the next video. Bye.